Hello and welcome to another video. I'll be showing you how do you remove the glow plug from the nitro engine. This is what starts your engine in order for you to use it. To remove it you will need a wrench with the number 8 on it. First of all you want to get it won't be really tight, it will be quite tight. So just twist, you get that click. Twist. Then you want to pull it out. And just see it out now. Just dip your gear out, put it down. When you get it out, make sure you've got the copper washer on it, which I have here. So if you can see that washer there. If you don't have this, it would be very bad. It's bad for your engine. So this is what helps your engine to start. You need to come out for. And you put after the nail in it and when you're changing it, because they can blow out like this one's nearly. These are what start your engine. You pull it into one of these, it glows. Mine won't glow as good because it ain't fully charged. So to put it back in, same as you put it in, you put it back in. Sorry about this. You put it back in. It's just to tip the car like this. Want to screw it all the way back in. Do that. Screw it back in until it's tight again. When it's tight, to give it another nip. You just want to give it a few pulls with the engine. This is so you know if it's too loose or too tight. So that's fine. So thanks for watching. More videos are coming. Please like, subscribe and comment. Bye for now.